Alright, so I wanted to do a quick tutorial on this. As I started digging into it, ran into a little problem. Well, it wasn't really a problem. Figured it out rather quickly, but somebody else is going to run into the same issue. So I have a Cushman Truckster here. This is the 4-wheel drive. Alright. This is the machine here. Over to this side. Alright. So what I'm doing, this thing was running really hot, and it's a common problem with these machines. So it's normally typically going to be one or two things. It's going to be your coolant sensor, or it's going to be your fan. Now we had a parts one of these out back, so I took the fan off of that one and cut the two wires. Got my battery charger here, and I just hooked up the power and the negative to this, and the fan spun, so I know this is good. And what I did with this one is the wires on here, well, this actually goes back underneath of this air cleaner, and you'll be able to unclip it back here. There's a clip that comes off and allow you to pull that wire up here. So I ran my battery charger cables to the negative and the positive on here, and this did not spin. So that's going to be the issue with this one. Now, getting this one out, there's 4 bolts behind your air cleaner here in the corner. Let me turn the light on, make things a lot easier. Alright, we had a bolt right there. And coming over to this side, this is where your radiator hose goes. Underneath of it, there's another bolt there. Alright, so this is how this was, and then my radiator hose was right there. Alright, so you can see you'll have another bolt right there. But you're going to want to take this radiator hose off. Alright, and you're going to want to disconnect this one. Now, you are going to have another bolt way down on that bottom corner. On this side, in front of your coolant jug here, the reservoir, there's going to be another bolt on the bottom, which you're going to have to get from underneath. Now, the problem is that bolt is blocked by this reservoir, and it took me a minute to figure it out, because I couldn't get a socket in there, and I couldn't get a wrench in there. And there's the bracket on here is doesn't come off so easy. Actually, on this machine, it's kind of welded on. I don't know why, but this reservoir, all you need to do is, and it might take a little muscle, is pull up on it, and you can see that slides right up. Alright, so if we go around to the back of the reservoir here, you can see there's actually a channel that allows that to slide up and down. See? So it goes up and down. Once you pull that up, you will be able to get to that bottom bolt way down there to take this fan out. Alright, hopefully that helps somebody, because I was stuck for about 10 minutes trying to figure out how I was going to get that bottom bolt out, until I realized that just had to slide this up. Alright, and that's it. Hopefully this tutorial helps. I'll see you next time.